Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of house hacking, a creative strategy that's helping people live smarter and invest wiser. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or just curious about new ways to manage your living expenses, house hacking could be a game changer. In this video, we'll break down what house hacking is, how it works, and why it's gaining popularity among savvy homeowners and investors. Let's start by understanding the basics and setting the stage for how you can make your home work for you. So, what exactly is house hacking? At its core, house hacking is a strategy where you purchase a property and use part of it to generate income, usually by renting out extra rooms or units. This approach allows you to offset your mortgage payments and other housing costs, making homeownership more affordable. House hacking isn't just for real estate pros. It's accessible to anyone willing to think creatively about their living space. Let's explore the different ways people are making house hacking work for them. House hacking works by turning your home into both a place to live and a source of income. For example, you might buy a duplex, live in one unit, and rent out the other. Or you could purchase a single-family home and rent out spare bedrooms to roommates. The rent you collect helps cover your mortgage, property taxes, and even utilities. In some cases, house hackers can live for free or even make a profit each month. Let's look at some common house hacking setups. One of the most popular ways to house hack is by purchasing a multi-unit property, like a duplex, triplex, or fourplex. You live in one unit and rent out the others. This setup is ideal because each unit is self-contained, offering privacy for both you and your tenants. Plus, lenders often allow you to use projected rental income to help qualify for the mortgage. Multi-unit house hacking is a tried-and-true method for building wealth while keeping your living costs low. You don't need a multi-unit building to house hack. Many people buy a single-family home and rent out extra bedrooms to roommates. This approach is especially popular among young professionals and students. By sharing your space, you can significantly reduce your monthly expenses. It's a flexible option that works well in areas where multi-unit properties are scarce or expensive. Let's see how this setup compares to multi-unit house hacking. Another creative house hacking strategy involves accessory dwelling units, or ADUs. These are separate living spaces on your property, like a basement apartment, garage conversion, or backyard cottage. By renting out an ADU, you can generate extra income while maintaining more privacy than with roommates. ADUs are becoming increasingly popular in cities where housing is in high demand. They offer a unique way to maximize your property's earning potential. Short-term rentals, like those listed on Airbnb or VRBO, are another way to house hack. If you have an extra room or unit, you can rent it out to travelers for a few nights or weeks at a time. This approach can be more profitable than long-term rentals, especially in tourist-friendly areas. However, it does require more management and attention to local regulations. Let's weigh the pros and cons of short-term versus long-term house hacking. House hacking comes with a range of benefits. The most obvious is financial. You can dramatically reduce or even eliminate your housing costs. It's also a great way to start investing in real estate with minimal risk. House hacking can help you build equity faster, diversify your income, and learn valuable landlord skills. Plus, you'll have more flexibility and control over your living situation. Let's look at some real-life examples of people who have succeeded with house hacking. Meet Sarah, who bought a triplex in her city. She lives in one unit and rents out the other two. The rent from her tenants covers her entire mortgage payment, and she even has a little left over each month. Sarah's story shows how house hacking with a multi-unit property can provide both a place to live and a steady stream of income. It's a practical way to start building wealth without waiting years to buy a second property. Now, let's look at Mike, a recent college graduate. He bought a 3-bedroom house and rents out 2 rooms to friends. The rent he collects covers most of his mortgage, making homeownership affordable right out of school. Mike's experience highlights how house hacking with roommates can work for young professionals, especially in expensive housing markets. It's a simple, effective way to get started. Consider Lisa, who built a small cottage in her backyard as an accessory dwelling unit. She rents it out to a local teacher, generating enough income to cover her property taxes and utilities. Lisa enjoys the privacy of her main home while still benefiting from extra income. This example shows how ADUs can be a flexible and profitable house hacking option, especially for homeowners with extra space on their property. Did you know that house hacking can actually help you qualify for a mortgage? Lenders often consider the potential rental income from your property when determining how much you can borrow. This means you might be able to afford a larger or more desirable home than you thought. It's important to work with a lender who understands house hacking and can guide you through the process. Let's talk about what to look for in a mortgage. Not all properties are ideal for house hacking. You'll want to look for homes with multiple units, extra bedrooms, or space for an ADU. Location is also key. Properties near public transportation, schools, or business districts tend to attract more tenants. Consider the layout, privacy, and potential rental income before making a decision. Doing your homework up front can set you up for house hacking success. Before you buy, it's crucial to estimate how much rental income your property can generate. Research local rental rates for similar units or rooms. Factor in vacancy rates, maintenance costs, and utilities. A realistic analysis will help you determine if house hacking will truly cover your expenses. Use online calculators or consult with a real estate agent to crunch the numbers and make an informed decision. There are several financing options for house hackers. FHA loans, for example, allow you to buy a multi-unit property with as little as 3.5% down, as long as you live in one unit. Conventional loans and VA loans are also possibilities. Each loan type has its own requirements and benefits, so it's important to compare your options. Working with a mortgage broker can help you find the best fit for your situation. Before you start house hacking, make sure you understand the legal requirements in your area. Zoning laws, rental regulations, and homeowners association rules can all impact your ability to rent out parts of your property. Some cities have restrictions on short-term rentals or require permits for ADUs. It's wise to consult with a real estate attorney or local officials to avoid surprises down the road. As a house hacker, you'll take on the role of landlord. This means handling tenant, screening, collecting rent, and maintaining the property. Good communication and clear lease agreements are essential for a smooth experience. You'll also need to respond to repairs and address any issues that arise. Being a responsible landlord not only protects your investment, but also helps build positive relationships with your tenants. Finding the right tenants is key to successful house hacking. Start by running background and credit checks and ask for references from previous landlords. Meet potential tenants in person to get a sense of their reliability and compatibility. Clear communication about house rules and expectations can prevent misunderstandings. Remember, a good tenant can make your house hacking journey much smoother. Setting the right rental rate is crucial. Charge too much, and you may struggle to find tenants. Too little, and you won't cover your costs. Research similar rentals in your area to determine a competitive price. Consider offering incentives, like utilities included or flexible lease terms, to attract quality tenants. Regularly review your rates to stay in line with the local market. Good financial management is essential for house hackers. Keep detailed records of all income and expenses, including repairs, utilities, and mortgage payments. Set aside a portion of your rental income for maintenance and unexpected costs. Using budgeting tools or accounting software can help you stay organized and maximize your profits. Staying on top of your finances ensures your house hacking venture remains sustainable. Vacancies are a reality of being a landlord. To minimize their impact, keep your property well maintained and market it effectively when a tenant moves out. Use online rental platforms, social media, and word of mouth to reach potential renters. Offering a clean, attractive space at a fair price will help you fill vacancies quickly and keep your income steady. Regular maintenance keeps your property in good shape and your tenants happy. Address repairs promptly and schedule routine inspections to catch issues early. Building a network of reliable contractors can save you time and stress. Remember, well-maintained properties attract better tenants and command higher rents, making your house hacking experience more profitable. Insurance is a must for any house hacker. Make sure you have the right coverage for your property, including landlord insurance if you're renting out part of your home. This protects you against damage, liability, and loss of rental income. Talk to your insurance agent about your house hacking plans to ensure you're fully protected. House hacking can have tax benefits, but it also comes with responsibilities. You may be able to deduct expenses like mortgage interest, property taxes, repairs, and depreciation. However, you'll also need to report your rental income and keep accurate records. Consult a tax professional to make sure you're taking advantage of all available deductions and staying compliant with tax laws. If you're new to house hacking, start small. Consider renting out a single room or buying a duplex before moving on to larger properties. Learn as you go and don't be afraid to ask for help from experienced house hackers or real estate professionals. The key is to take action and build your confidence over time. Every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Once you're comfortable with house hacking, you might consider scaling up. Some people move out of their first house hack and repeat the process with a new property, turning the original into a full-time rental. Over time, this can help you build a portfolio of income-generating properties. The possibilities are endless for those willing to put in the work and learn along the way. House hacking isn't without its challenges. Sharing your space, managing tenants, and handling repairs can be demanding. There may be periods of vacancy or unexpected expenses. However, with the right mindset and preparation, these challenges are manageable. Many house hackers find that the rewards far outweigh the difficulties, especially as they gain experience. To overcome common house hacking obstacles, set clear boundaries with tenants and communicate openly. Have a plan for handling repairs and emergencies. Build a support network of other landlords, contractors, and real estate professionals. By staying organized and proactive, you can navigate challenges and keep your house hacking journey on track. House hacking isn't just a financial strategy, it's a lifestyle choice. It can offer more freedom, flexibility, and opportunities to meet new people. Some house hackers enjoy the sense of community that comes from sharing their home, while others appreciate the ability to travel or pursue other interests, thanks to lower living costs. Think about how house hacking fits with your personal goals and lifestyle. Families can house hack too. Some families rent out a basement suite or ADU, while others buy a duplex and live next door to their tenants. With careful planning, house hacking can provide extra income without sacrificing privacy or comfort. It's a smart way for families to build wealth and teach kids about financial responsibility. Retirees can benefit from house hacking by downsizing and renting out part of their home. This extra income can supplement retirement savings and provide companionship. Some retirees even use house hacking as a way to age in place, with tenants helping out around the property. It's a flexible strategy for those looking to maximize their retirement years. Many people use house hacking as a stepping stone to financial independence. By reducing or eliminating housing costs, you can save more, invest sooner, and reach your financial goals faster. House hacking is a powerful tool for anyone pursuing early retirement or a more flexible lifestyle. It's all about making your biggest expense work for you. House hacking is often the first step into real estate investing. It allows you to learn the ropes, build equity, and gain experience as a landlord with minimal risk. Over time, you can leverage your house hacking experience to invest in additional properties and grow your wealth. It's a practical, hands-on way to start your real estate journey. House hacking can foster a sense of community, especially when you share your home with others. Many house hackers form lasting friendships with their tenants or roommates. Hosting community events or shared meals can make your house feel more like a home. Building positive relationships benefits everyone involved and can make the experience more enjoyable. House hacking can also support sustainability. By sharing your home or property, you make more efficient use of resources and reduce your environmental footprint. Some house hackers incorporate eco-friendly upgrades, like solar panels or energy-efficient appliances, to further lower costs and benefit the planet. It's a win-win for your wallet and the environment. Technology makes house hacking easier than ever. Online rental platforms, smart home devices, and property management software help you find tenants, collect rent, and manage your property efficiently. Embracing technology can save you time, reduce stress, and improve your overall house hacking experience. Security is a top priority when house hacking. Install quality locks, security cameras, and lighting to keep your property safe. Screen tenants carefully and set clear rules for shared spaces. Taking these precautions will help you feel comfortable and protect your investment. Maintaining privacy is important for both you and your tenants. Choose properties with separate entrances or private bathrooms when possible. Set boundaries for shared spaces and communicate expectations clearly. With thoughtful planning, you can enjoy the benefits of house hacking without sacrificing your personal space. One of the biggest advantages of house hacking is flexibility. You can adjust your strategy as your needs change, rent out more space, switch from long-term to short-term rentals, or move and turn your property into a full rental. House hacking adapts to your life, making it a versatile option for many different situations. If you love to travel, house hacking can help fund your adventures. Renting out your home, or a portion of it while you're away, can generate extra income and keep your property occupied. Some house hackers even swap homes with others, or use short-term rentals to maximize flexibility. It's a great way to combine your passion for travel with smart financial planning. With remote work on the rise, house hacking offers even more possibilities. You can live in one city and rent out your home in another, or create a dedicated workspace for tenants. House hacking can provide the financial freedom to work from anywhere and design your ideal lifestyle. House hacking is a valuable learning experience. You'll gain skills in real estate, finance, negotiation, and property management. Many house hackers go on to become successful investors or even teach others how to get started. The knowledge you gain can benefit you for a lifetime. There are plenty of resources to help you succeed with house hacking. Books, podcasts, online forums, and local real estate groups offer advice and support. Connecting with other house hackers can provide valuable insights and encouragement. Don't hesitate to seek out information and build your network as you start your journey. House hacking isn't for everyone, but it's worth considering if you're looking to reduce expenses, build wealth, or start investing in real estate. Think about your goals, lifestyle, and willingness to take on landlord responsibilities. With the right mindset and preparation, house hacking can open doors to new opportunities and financial freedom. Thanks for joining us on this introduction to house hacking. Whether you're ready to take the plunge or just exploring your options, remember that house hacking is a flexible, powerful tool for achieving your financial goals. Start small, keep learning, and don't be afraid to get creative. Your journey to smarter living and investing could start with your very own home.